everybody. Today we're going to learn how to add fractions with different denominators. So the number on top is called a numerator, like we learned yesterday. The number on bottom is a denominator. And yesterday we learned that 3/10 plus 5/100 equals 35/100. Today I'm going to show you a method that will always let you add any numbers with different denominators. So this number 3/10 is the same as 30/100, right? Because we can do 10, 20, 30. So we can add 30/100 plus 5/100 equals 35/100. So far so good? Okay. So we're going to be using equivalent fractions today. And we just saw an equivalent fraction. 1/10 equals 10/100. They're the same size. They take up the same amount of this square. So what do we do first? First, we find the greatest denominator. So that's this one right here. Then we get an equivalent fraction with the greatest denominator. So I see 100 is the greatest denominator. I want to make this a fraction with 100 also. So I could make this 40/100 because I look over here and I see that there's 40/100. Now it's really easy. I just add 40/100 plus 6/100. I add them up and I get 46/100. So this is a way to show your work where you're showing that you turned tenths into hundredths in order to add them all up. So voy a repetirlo una vez en español y sería un buen repaso para todos. Primero, encuentre el mayor denominador. Esta. Porque 100 es mayor a 10. Segundo, haz una fracción equivalente con el mayor denominador. Entonces, en vez de 2 décimos, yo tengo 20 centésimos. Y ahora las dos fracciones tienen un denominador de 100. ¿Verdad? So ahora veo 20 centésimos y 5 centésimos. ¿Y qué hago finalmente? Yo sumo. Y me sale 25 centésimos. Hoy tú vas a hacer lo mismo. So para la primera es 5 décimos más 2 centésimos y hay que decir cuántos centésimos es. So I'll show you all the first one as an example, and then I'll let you try the other ones yourself. So here's 5/10. And if I get my 5/10 on here to, oopsies, come back here, to 3, 4, and 5, here's 5, I can see that it's also the same as 50/100. There's 50/100. And I can count 5, 10, 15, 20, or sorry, not by fives. I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 50/100. And then I need to add 2/100 more. So my final answer would be 52/100. So in your homework, you're going to do this one first, just as a practice round. And you can do, oopsies, didn't mean to go down to social studies. Why am I in social studies? And you can do the exact same thing I did. Then you're going to do the same thing with 8s in these two examples. Whoops, sorry guys, I'm all over the place. You're going to do the same thing with 8s. So you need to see how many 8s 2/4 makes. And then you're going to solve this one and show your work. You can either make a drawing or you can use this tool and take a screenshot. And if you don't know how to take a screenshot, I have a little video at the end of your homework that shows you how to do it. So either way, I need to see a photo of your work. And the tool you're going to use is a tool that we have used before. So you could just see, for example, 1/2 equals 2/4. It's just a little tool. And then what I would do is I would make a screenshot and I would put my screenshot right here. But as I said, I've included a video at the end because I think screenshots work differently on Chromebooks than on the computer I am using. So let me know if you have any questions, and let's practice using equivalent fractions to add and subtract fractions with different denominators.